Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle without mold. You do not need any special equipment to create delightful frozen treats right in your own kitchen. First, gather your favorite fruit juice, some fresh fruit, and perhaps a spoonful of honey or sugar if you like. Blend your ingredients until smooth, or simply use a pre-made juice. This simple preparation sets the stage for a wonderfully refreshing snack. Now, let's get creative with containers. You can use small paper cups, an ice cube tray, or even empty yogurt containers. These everyday items work perfectly as makeshift molds. Carefully pour your delicious liquid mixture into each container. Remember to leave about 1/2 inch of space from the top. This allows for expansion as the liquid freezes, preventing any messy overflows in your freezer. The next step is adding your popsicle sticks. For best results, let your mixture freeze for about 1 hour first. This partial freezing helps the sticks stand upright. Then, carefully insert a stick into the center of each treat. Place your containers on a flat surface in the freezer. Allow them to freeze completely for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even better, leave them overnight for perfect solidity. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade popsicles. To easily remove them, run the bottom of each container under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This gentle warmth helps loosen the frozen treat from the sides. Then, simply pull the stick, and your delicious popsicle will slide right out. Enjoy your refreshing, custom-made treat immediately, or store them in a freezer bag for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.